What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage, Dubois. Welcome back. So today we aren't going to do a turning project. As many of you know that follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I've been talking about it for a while, but we are in the middle of a shop build. So today's video, we are going to show some time-lapse photos that I did of a portion of the building being assembled and put together and set up. And then another portion of putting some of the stuff up on the walls. These portions, which are furring strips, and then putting some insulation behind it. We'll have some time lapse over the next few weeks as we do the build. We're going to be hanging up hardboard on the walls to give it a finished look. We're going to be painting. We're going to be installing dust collection. We're going to be running electrical. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, definitely stick around. Follow us as to what's going on, keep in touch, and I'll jump right into it. So we had the building built. We had the group come out and assemble the building the evening of May the 26th. They got here a little bit late because it was their third building of the day. So they worked until around 9:30, 10 o'clock at night when it was too dark to work. Then they packed up, came back the next morning and finished it up. So I have time-lapse photos of up until it got too dark for the camera to really register. So you'll see that darken as we go along and fade out, but it was really interesting to watch that happen. And then, so that happened. The next day we started kind of figuring out what we needed to do, getting the materials together. On Wednesday evening, my buddy Darren came up. We hung a lot of furring strips and did some insulation. Thursday evening we started some electrical stuff, and my father-in-law and brother-in-law came down, which you'll see a little bit of that. As to getting more of the furring strips up. So that'll be the second clip, which was Thursday evening of us working, and my buddy Jimmy came by and helped do some electrical. Friday night, which was last night, Jimmy came back over. We finished up the electrical, so that is ready for the electrical company to come in and inspect their portion of it, make sure it's all good, and then we can get the electric drop here. So tonight I'm going to be doing some more of the furring strips on some remaining portions of the building and try to get the ceiling done. And then I will be throwing up insulation. And tomorrow we're going to be working on the hardboard, getting that up here and making it look more building-like to contain the insulation and give us a room. So keep watching. Let's have, hope you enjoy it. And we'll be back to wrap up after the end of the clips that we watch. So won't be but a few minutes, so see you in a few. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those little clips. It's been a lot of fun so far. So we're just going to keep on keeping on and get this party going. I wanted to give some shout outs to some people who have sent in some stickers. So my first one is Michael over at SocoJoco. Sent me a couple of stickers, so these will be going on the sticker board. The sticker board will be hung in this shop. So you'll be able to see all the stickers that I've received so far. At any rate, go check out Michael over at SocoJoco. He does some great turning, great burl work. Has been a great person for me to reach out to and form a friendship with on ideas and feedback. So definitely go, if you don't support his channel now, go check him out. I'll put links to all the channels and things down below. So definitely check them out. And any social media that I have will be there as well. Next up, we have Jesse over at Steele Woodworks. Check him out. He reached out to me through Instagram. So I'll definitely put that information down below. But definitely check him out and see the awesome work that he does as well. Next up, we have Sean and Amber over at Motley Myrtle sent me this sticker. They joined in the YouTube cross-channel challenge. A little while ago. They are doing some fun crafting work in their workshop, making some things and doing some stuff on their CNC. They put out a lot of little shorts on Instagram and things, and I'm excited to see how their channel grows as well as they continue to grow their hobby into their business and how they move. So definitely go check them out and support them as well. Last but not least, I have Simon with Crafty Fox. I'll put links to his information down below as well. Absolutely check him out. Check out his amazing work and support all the makers that they support us as we go through these processes. So these videos, the next few, aren't going to be super long, but I want to keep you guys up to date and apprised as to what's going on and be able to answer any questions that you have. So this building, the outside dimensions are 16 foot wide and 17 foot 9 inches long. So the interior is going to be a little bit different. Over in the corner where there's a roll-up door, that will be an area that's for the lawnmower. We have 4 acres here, so we have a little bit to mow. So I have a big riding lawnmower, but that will be sealed off. That's the goal. Have that sealed off. My dust collection system will be in there as well, the blower at least, and then that will vent back through the wall so that it comes in through a 1 micron filter and will minimize, of course, the 1 micron filter will cut down significantly on the amount of dust that's in the air that comes back in, but anything that I heat or cool in the shop won't be lost and have to be reheated because it'll be pumped right back in. So there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of things that have been percolating in my mind for the past while I've been waiting for this to get built, and now they're starting to come to fruition. So it's great having a blank slate, and I appreciate everybody's feedback that has supported us through this. So I'm going to let you get back to your week. We will give you another update next week. Keep watching social media, Instagram, Facebook, because I will be posting pictures as we go as well, just to keep everybody going. And definitely share how the channel's growing. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. Let's see this channel continue to grow and take off like it has been. We're approaching 600 subscribers, and I'm just blown away by the support that you guys have all supplied. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Please, though, either way, leave comments and feedback. I do appreciate that. I read and respond to every single one of them. We will catch you next week.